Want to make a great tasting health drink? This is the best, quick and easy way to drink Gynura Procumbens. Just get 5 to 10 Gynura leaves from your garden. Make sure you wash the leaves so there is no little bugs or parasites on them. Just put the leaves in your blender. I use the magic bullet as it blends just about anything to a liquid. Add 250 to 500 ml of coconut water and blend for about 15 to 20 seconds. Gynura Procumbens has some amazing health benefits. The leaves and stems contain many bioactive compounds, such as flavonoids, polyphenols and glycosides. Gynura has a mild, pleasant taste. It does not have the strong green taste you get when you have wheatgrass juice. Here are some of the medical conditions this miracle plant can treat.